Nobody buys video, they buy what video does. It's just like how nobody buys a drill, they buy a hole in the wall. And you don't want to sell the flight, you want to sell the vacation. So many agencies we talk to sell video when that's not what their clients actually want. The video is the mechanism, the outcome is the product. This means you need to stop asking what kind of video are you looking for and start asking what business problem are you trying to solve. Because here's the truth, you think you're selling video when in reality your clients want results. Here's what you sell versus what they're buying. You sell short form content, they're buying ads that bring in leads. You sell them a brand film, and they're really buying a trust asset that improves their close rate. You sell them a product demo video, and they're really buying sales calls that get cut in half because of the demo video. You sell them testimonial videos, they're really buying social proof and trust. You sell them a recruitment video, and they're really buying the ability to attract A-player talent. Because when you can reframe your offer like this, and you have a lot of impact over time, you start to realize that retainers make more sense because you can work with clients on a long-term basis to get them tangible outcomes in their business, which not only benefits the client, but also benefits you. Whereas if you did one-off projects, it would be a flash in the pan, and then the client's gone. This is how you grow your agency. Because at the end of the day, outcomes don't end, and neither should your contract. As long as there are problems that you can solve, you should continue working with clients on retainer. And it's as simple as relanguaging what you do. Instead of saying 4 videos a month, you want to say, here's a monthly lead gen system that we'll create for you every single month. Instead of saying we're going to sell you a social content package, you say, hey, we're going to create an organic content lead machine that works on your social profiles 24/7. Instead of saying we have ongoing video support, we say that we build a revenue content engine for your business. And here's why languaging matters. If you're simply saying we do 4 videos a month, the client is thinking to themselves, is that a lot of money for that? Versus when you center it around an actual outcome or results, and you say we help create a monthly lead gen system, they say, oh, okay, so if we get leads, we're likely going to get an ROI. When can we start? It's the same deliverables, you just have a different frame. That's what I don't think a lot of people realize is you can sell the exact same thing, but just package it differently around outcomes and even charge more money because you're centering it around results instead of deliverables. Now, if you want to learn how we can help you do this, I have a short video on the next page where you can click the link below, apply to work with us. We've worked with over 828 agencies up to this point one-on-one to help them do exactly this so they can grow their agency and get to the next level.